If you're a real estate agent struggling to stay consistent with content, this platform was built for you. I'm Brian, founder of RealtorsContent.com, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how this works. As you can see, I have signed in here, and I'm on my dashboard. Anytime you want to get to your dashboard, just click the menu at the top. Subscription information is here. I recommend you fill out your agent profile when you do begin to start using this program. And then, of course, you have your help screen. So your dashboard is broken down into 3 sections. You have your create section with each note card here. You have your plan section if you want to plan out your week or your month. And then you have your analyze section for when you actually have some properties, you're trying to list something, or you already have a contract and you want to analyze that for the best scenario. Each tool has one job, and that's to produce content for you. The tools also have multi-functions within each tool, and we're going to cover those one by one. Let's start with the Content Studio.